In this tutorial, we show you how easy it is to automatically encrypt and send documents with proDAD Ango. This is the workspace of Ango, and this is a window of the Windows File Explorer. Select the file to encrypt and drag this file onto the Ango workspace. We will select the recipient after dropping the file. Choose the desired recipient from the address book. The file is now being automatically encrypted. Just as you wish, you may now drag and drop the encrypted file to another location. You may store the file onto a memory card or USB stick. Or you send the file by email, like in this example.